that's going to really annoy me. I will eat some. Super citrusy. Can you hear that? Listen. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Before I dive into today's video, I do just want to say I am so sorry for the lack of uploads over the past week. I honestly don't know what's come over me, but I had no video ideas to film. I actually tried filming a bunch of videos because I randomly decided on the 29th of November that I wanted to do Vlogmas. I wanted to kind of bookmas, basically upload 12 videos in the month of December with no prep, no videos pre-filmed, and I tried filming them on the weekend. I filmed, I think, 5 videos. Every single one absolutely sucked. Honestly, I was editing them and I was like, there's just like no substance to this video. So I got rid of those and I thought, what can I upload? It's been a week. I have had zero inspiration, motivation. I've just absolutely been in such a blank with video ideas. So please, if you're watching this video, let me know down below any video requests you would like to see, because I'm honestly absolutely stuck for the rest of December. Have I basically planned the entirety of January? Yes, I have. And also half of February. But for December, I have absolutely no idea what you guys want to see, so please let me know down below any video requests. I am all ears. Also, did I have an absolute mission to get my hands on this kitchen box? I had such a nightmare. So essentially, I'm going to tell you guys, you probably don't even care, but I'm telling you anyway. I was in Turkey. If you guys didn't see, I was in Turkey, and what was I saying? I've lost my train of thought. I basically had a notification like, oh, we couldn't send you your Lush box, like there's been an issue, blah blah blah. And I was like, well, that's really odd. Anyway, it turns out my bank card was marked as destroyed, so all my subscriptions basically wouldn't come out. So I was sat on the beach in Turkey, not wanting to ring the bank because it was £3 a minute, and I'm just like not doing that, trying to figure out what the heck was going on. I managed to sort it, but then I missed the cut-off point for December's kitchen box, so I was just like having an absolute mare. Turns out, by the way, I've also missed the cut-off for January, so I am going to be in such, I honestly am stressed thinking about it, but I need to get my hand on January's. Anyway, basically I managed to get my hands on one of the boxes from the store, thank goodness. So that is what we're doing in today's video. We are doing a Lush kitchen subscription box unboxing. There was no way I was missing this box. I saw some of the spoilers and I was like, I cannot miss this box. You will see why when we go through the products, but like there was no way. And also January, I refuse to miss the box, because I have been doing these videos every single month for the past, I think, 4 years. 5 years next year. It'll be 5 years, and I'm like, I'm not missing it, so I need to get my hands on January's box. Anyway, basically, hi guys, I'm so sorry I've been rambling for like 3 minutes about all the issues and everything like that's been going on with me recently. I just needed to vent. Anyway, in today's video, we are of course diving in to the Lush kitchen box unboxing for December. Can we talk about the absolute beautiful packaging? I'm sorry, this is stunning. I am in love with it and I'm just so excited to dive into this box. There is a product in here which I personally take responsibility for. I feel like me saying this every single time I have been to a Lush event for the past few years, I have said, I want this product, it would be incredible, it's in this box. So yeah, you're welcome. Anyway, to any of you guys that are new, hello and welcome. My name is Melody. I don't normally ramble on for 4 minutes prior to introducing a video, but I just needed to vent and I needed to let you guys know what's been going on. But in today's video, we are of course going through the Lush kitchen box for December. If you guys don't know, Lush do kitchen subscription boxes. There are 3 options, one of which is a shower one of which is a bath one, and one of which is the extra large box, which contains all the products from both boxes. And if you guys also didn't know, I do have an affiliate link with Lush, which is linked down below. If you buy anything on their website currently for £15 and over, and you do have to be a UK resident and over 18, you will receive a free bottle of Snow Fairy. We are excited, we are ecstatic. But yeah, it's all down below, so feel free to use it. You don't have to, but feel free if you would like to. Anyway, let's dive into the box. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. I'm so excited. I am going to save the product that I am most excited for till the very end. So the first item we have got is, Okay, this sounds amazing. This is the Snow Cake Buttercream, and on the pot it says, "This just in, we're expecting flurries of creamy, comforting marzipan scents with a high chance of skin softening showers." This is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful packaging as always. I feel like Lush do put so much effort into the packaging when it comes to these boxes. I'm obsessed. Like, look at that. Isn't that so beautiful? Very festive. I absolutely love it. In terms of ingredients, we have got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, we've also got cocoa butter, ground almonds, we've got mimosa, we've got vanilla, we have got tonka. I am very excited to smell this. Snow Cake is a very popular fragrance in the Lush universe. I feel like everybody and their mum has probably smelled something that has the same scent. Oh my goodness. Look at the... I mean, it is a buttercream, so... Oh, that's so nostalgic, wow. If you don't like the smell of like marzipan and like almonds, you probably won't like this. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favourite scent, but for me it's more the nostalgia as opposed to like loving that marzipan kind of smell. I've got such an itchy nose at the moment, oh my goodness. Like, can we just stop it? Anyway, okay, let's just try some. Okay, can you hear that? Listen. Weird, anyway. Ooh. Okay, it's very thick. Like, when I say, like, weird. Let's try it. I'm going to regret this because my hands are going to be really... Am I supposed to wash this off? Yes. That would make sense. Okay, we're going to try it anyway. You are supposed to use it in the shower and rinse it off. However, Heather? Why can't I speak? However, I obviously am not going to do that. Oh, wow. Okay, on the skin, it smells so much like Snow Cake soap. Honestly, I mean, it's the same scent, but it's so nice. Oh, wow, that's delicious. Okay, now I understand why it's so thick. You're supposed to wash it off, but this is the first item. And yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm very excited to use that one. Okay, next up we have... Oh, okay, this is a lip scrub. We have had this one before. I think this one used to come out a few years ago with the Christmas collection, so I'm really excited. This one is the Santa Baby Lip Scrub, and it says, "Kiss me by the chimney tonight." And in terms of ingredients, we have got... My goodness, my eyesight is getting worse. The writing is so small. We have got caster sugar, lime oil, pepper... I can't read. Black pepper oil. We have got dried cherries. We have got coconut oil. Ooh! Oh, it's so good. And if you guys don't know, on this channel, every single time we have a lip scrub, I will eat some. Although now... it kind of tastes like soap from the other one, but oh, it's so good. To me, this one tastes like Coca-Cola. I don't know if it's just me or if it's supposed to, but that is the kind of vibe I get from this one, and I'm very excited. I love a lip scrub, if you guys don't know, so this I am thoroughly excited to use. The next item we have, I'm going to do the soap in this box, which do you know what? I know this seems boring. I love the shape of this. I think it's so useful, easy to use, and don't get me wrong, I absolutely love a good Lush soap, but when they're in the shape of like a cake slice, or like the one that we had for the first Wicked launch, I loved it. So annoying to use though, because it was all like knobbly and bobbly, do you know what I mean? These, absolutely classic. Maybe it's just my old age, I have no idea, but this is the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas soap, and I don't know whether we have a list of ingredients or anything. I don't see them, so we are just gonna have to guess what this smells like. Oh my goodness, this, it's wait, what is that? We've had something in this smell before. It's very chamomile-y and lavendery. It almost just smells like the A French Kiss bubble bar. It's a very lovely floral smell. That's beautiful though. I love the look of this one. Again, the shape of it is beautiful, very easy to use, and I'm just a big fan. I don't really know what the design is supposed to be, but I'm here for it. Maybe it's the moon. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Oh, that smells incredible. Lovely, delicious. Okay, then we have got a shower gel. This one looks completely up my street by the looks and the colour. I'm just all for it. So this is the Fairy Jasmine shower gel, and it says, "As if by magic, one of our most loved retro fragrances returns in a shimmering potion of floral ylang ylang, calming vetiver, and all that jazz." And in terms of ingredients, oh, it's beautiful. I'll show you guys one second. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like fine sea salt, jasmine Absolute, Vetiver Oil and Ylang Ylang. Firstly, again, the sticker, absolutely beautiful. This just screams Christmas to me. I love the look of it, but the glitter, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it or not. I really hope it picks up on camera, but this is absolutely stunning. I love this one. The colour is just so me. I love a lavender. I'm just a big purple gal. So let's give it a smell and see what it smells like. Wait, what is that? Oh my goodness, that has a smell that I've smelled before. This is really hard to describe. We've definitely had something in this scent before. Could I tell you what it is? Absolutely not. It's creamy. It's slightly floral, but the creaminess is like so overpowering to the floral that you can't really smell it. What is that smell? That's gonna really annoy me. Oh, I have no idea. Guys, if you know what this smells like in terms of like an old product, please let me know, because that is hitting something in my brain and I cannot pinpoint what it is. But that is absolutely beautiful. I love that. Such a great size as well. I think for £35 is what this box costs. By the way, I think it's £35. Yes, £35. I think you get such a great variety of products. So yeah, this is the shower gel. Very, very excited to use that one up. The next item in the box, guys, you know how excited I get when we see a teeny tiny little bottle like this. This will either be a perfume or a pillow spray or something along those lines, and I absolutely loved it. At one point Lush did do, why can I not get into this? Oh, there we go. Lush did do a perfume. It was kind of like a set, so every month for maybe like 5 months or so, I think it was, we got one perfume to go in this like case. It was beautiful. I would love for Lush to do that again, because every month I just got so excited to add to it. Anyway, this is the Bon Perignon, hang on, Perignon. I feel like I've read this before. Bon Perignon. I'm gonna let you guys read it because I cannot pronounce what that says. I have no idea. Bon Perignon. Is that like an alcohol? Am I going crazy? Bon Perignon. I have no idea. Anyway, in terms of ingredients, we have got tangerine oil, we have also got grapefruit oil, and then it says perfume. Obviously they don't want to give it away too much, so let's just spray it on. Let's go for it. If it smells gross, I will simply smell gross for the rest of the day, but let's see what it smells like. Ooh, whoa. Okay, so this one is just super citrusy. It literally smells exactly like when you break into an orange, and you know you get that really like almost sharp tangy smell from like the orange skin and the orange. That is exactly what this smells like. I don't know whether this is a scent that I would like choose for myself in a perfume because of how citrusy it is, but it is really good and I definitely will use it. I'm like really smelling my wrist. Yeah, it smells really good. Oh, that's actually really nice. So I'm very excited about that one. And again, I love a Lush perfume. They are one of, well, I would say probably 99% of the fragrances I wear are Lush, whether that be body spray, perfume. So I'm really excited to have this one, and I will definitely get my use out of it for sure. Okay, and last but definitely not least, the main event of this box, which I take full responsibility for, okay, because I have been going on and on and on to Finley at Lush. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. Every time I see him, he has always said, like, what products do you guys want to see? And I have said this product specifically for months, if not years. Actually, no, scrap that. It has been years. And I will admit, I did say something slightly different in terms of the colour, but I will tell you guys kind of what I thought because I don't want to give it away. But the fact they've made this makes me want to scream and throw up. And I'm just so excited. So, oh my god, I don't know if you guys are ready. The product, you guys probably know. Are you kidding me? Lord of Misrule Body Scrub. I feel like I've said this in so many videos before. I have wanted this for so long. They used to do a solid scrub, and I think it was, what was it called? You guys know what I mean. It was red and it was a square and it used to smell like Lord of Misrule. That product was great until it got discontinued, and ever since then I have wanted a Lord of Misrule body scrub. I have been dreaming of this day and my prayers have been answered, and I'm just so thankful. And I wonder what is under here. Is there a little thing under the sticker? Because sometimes they put little things under the stickers and I just want to see what it says. Oh, let the festivities begin. That's so cute. So on the packaging of this one it says imbued. Is is that how you pronounce that? With the wine, sweet and spiced decadence of patchouli, black pepper and vanilla, the sugary scrub leaves skin mischievously soft. And in terms of ingredients, we of course have I cannot speak. I'm so excited. We've got black pepper, patchouli, vanilla, almond oil, coconut oil. We've also got cocoa butter. Yeah, it's just going to be amazing. I need to smell it. The reason I said this looks different, by the way, is because I said that what they should do is do 2 colours. You know how sometimes, I think a few of the scrubs that have been released previously, especially like the Lush Club ones, they had like a swirl to them, and I said, you know what would be great? Do it green and do it that I can't speak, wine red colour, like the inside of the bath bomb, but maybe it went brown, I have no idea. Anyway, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's amazing. If you guys, honestly, Lord of Misrule, I don't know what it is about it either, because normally if someone said to me, oh, it's like black pepper and patchouli, like have it, I'd be like, gross, I don't want to smell that. But something about this just hits different. I know it looks a bit basic in the pot, but I promise you, oh, this box gets a 10 out of 10 just for this alone. I'm so excited. I honestly, I'm ecstatic, honestly. So those are all of the products that are in this month's kitchen box. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, I am so sorry for being so MIA. I know it's been awful of me and I just feel like so unprepared for the month of December. I don't know why. I think it is because me and Ryan are also in the process of moving, which you guys will see loads of snippets of that, I am sure, because I need to do a whole new like library setup. I need to organise my books again. I also need to organise basically my entire life. So I will be vlogging and doing a bunch of videos on that. But I think this month it has just been chaotic. Like we are so close to moving in that I think we should be in by Christmas, but we're kind of like in that limbo stage at the moment where like half of my stuff's packed, half of it's not, and I just haven't had any video ideas that haven't taken up like loads of time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have stuck around till the end, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget my Lush affiliate link is down below. If you would like to use it, feel free. Don't feel like you have to. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.